channel. So today I'm going to do this intense smoky eye look. So if you're interested, please continue watching. To save up some time, I had already moisturized my face and now I am just using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer, and firstly I'm just applying it on my pores to minimize them, and then just whatever is left I'm spreading it all over my face. So today I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and it is in shade Warm Sand. This foundation is very hydrating and it gives you a really well coverage. Then I'm just going to dab the beauty blender with this setting spray from Wet n Wild, and just going to blend the foundation. This is going to make sure this foundation is going to last long, and the base is not going to move for a good 2 to 3 hours. Next I'm going to take this NYX HD Photo Finish Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it on the dark circles, on upper lids and on the dark spots wherever it is necessary, and then repeating the step of blending everything all together. You really have to take your own good time to blend everything in place so there are no patches visible after powdering. Okay, so next I'm quickly going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and it is in dark brown shade. So starting off with eye makeup, I'm using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to draw a wing eyeliner. You don't need to be worried about it being precise because we can fix that later. So next I'm taking this flat brush and I'm going to smudge the liner. It is just going to create a base for eyeshadow. Next I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm taking this light brown shade and applying it all over my eyelid. This is going to be my transition color. Next I'm going to mix this 2 shades of brown, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. As you can see, I'm really going to intensify the color so that it should look darker on the outside. Then I'm going to take a light shade and going to apply it on the inner corners to create a cut crease. Make sure you are going to blend everything all together. There should be no harsh edges left. You have to take your own good time to blend everything properly and make it look flawless. Next I'm going to take this shimmery shade from the palette and apply it on the inner corner, and then going to blend it all together. Then I'm going to clean the edges and make the wing look really sharp, as you can see. Next I'm going to use this liner from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to apply it on lower waterline. All the product details would be mentioned down in description box if you guys want to check it out. Next I am just going to pick up this darker brown shade and smudge the lower waterline, as you can see. Then I'm quickly going to do other eye off camera. Next, to set my base, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Next I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to bronze my face to make it look more edgy. Then I'm going to contour my nose. As you can see, I'm just going to connect it with the eyebrows. It makes it look more narrow. Next I'm going to take this highlighter from Makeup Revolution And I'm just going to apply it on the higher points of my face, like on cheeks, on bridge of nose. Next I'm going to apply lipstick. This is from Maybelline Liquid Matte Lipstick range, and this is in shade Soft Wine. This lipstick may look very glossy when you're applying it, but once it gets dry, it looks matte. And finally, just completing the look with hoop earrings. So this is the final look. You can totally wear it for evening occasion, or you can just change your lipstick to nude color or more settled color to wear it during daytime. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.